Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Excel to draw a histogram chart. Right over here you can see we have mathematics score distribution for a particular class and we want to know how these scores are distributed, and we can do that using histogram chart. A histogram chart is a graphical representation of data that shows how the data is distributed across different categories or intervals. It's like a bar graph, but instead of representing individual values, it groups the values into ranges and shows the frequency of values within each range. So let's get to it. Let's select this data, go to Insert. In the Charts group, we have this histogram chart. Now click over it, and there we are. Now you can see we have sort of three bars. And at the x-axis, we have different numbers showing the range of particular score within each bin. These blue rectangles actually represent the bins. Now down at the bottom, you can see these numbers 58 to 69, 69 to 80, and 80 to 91. These are actually the range distribution. And if you look closely, you would see the difference between each set of these numbers is 11. This represents the bin width. Let me click over it and go to Format Axis, and you can see bin width is 11. And number of bins, 3, you can see right over here. Overflow bin. Overflow bin actually shows the value above a certain values clubbed together in histogram chart. For example, if I want to know the number of students that have scored more than 75, I can enter 75 as the overflow bin value. Over here, I'm going to change the overflow bin value to 90, whereas the underflow bin is where all the values less than or equal to a particular number will be collected. So I'm going to enter 60 over here, and let's click enter. And there you can see, now we have 4 number of bins. And right over here, you can see we have less than 60. And within this particular range, we have 60 to 71 and so on. Let me click over here and add data labels. And there you are. You can see in this particular data, we have only one student that has got less than 60 score and 5 students ranges in 60 to 71, while 9 students scored from 71 to 82 and only 5 students went beyond 82 to 93. This shows that histogram has summarized the data in such a beautiful way that it becomes meaningful for us, and we can have a vision of what a particular data set actually represents. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.